Patio Kits Direct. Today we're going to go over a very simple application, and that is an arbor. An arbor consists of a post, a header beam, a rafter, and if you customize it to have the lattice tubes on it, we can definitely accommodate that. So in the components of an arbor, okay? Most arbors require a footing, so you'll dig a hole. You'll be provided a steel post. That steel post goes into the hole. You pour concrete around this white part in this representation. Then you'll be provided a 3x3 aluminum sleeve. That sleeves over the top of it, so everything aesthetically matches and looks like the Alumawood material, okay? So once that is set, most arbors have a double beam application. Some have a single, but commonly it's to have a double beam application. So a header beam is a 3x8. It's 3 inches wide on the bottom, 8 inches tall, okay? So if you look right here, we come a little bit closer. The post comes up to the level of the header beam, okay? So see how it's flush, like so? And then the header beams are attaching from the sides. So the detail on that is you'll drill a 5/8 hole. You can either do a 2 hole scenario, or most people do a 3 hole scenario, 5/8 hole, okay? And with the extension bit, if you don't have a steel inside your header, you're going to use a number 14 sheet metal screw. If you do have a steel application, you're going to use a number 14 TEG screw. And with the extension bit, you're going to shoot it into the header beam where it comes and ties through the aluminum header, the aluminum post, into the steel post, okay? So once you have these mounted on, the normal layout for a arbor is 36 inches, maybe 32, depending on your design or what you call for. The rafters depend on center, okay? So here's a rafter, and then you're gonna have another rafter in sequence over here. So once you've figured out your layout, the detail for that is you're going to have an outside rafter bracket, okay? So you're gonna have an outside rafter bracket on the front beam and one on the back beam. What's going to happen is you're going to shoot it with a TEG screw, 1, 2 staggered in that scenario to keep it from twisting on you, okay? And then do it on the back. And then this rafter is going to saddle with the exact matching overhangs, okay? It's important to take into consideration. And then you're going to take that same TEG screw and go 1, 2 on this side, 1, 2 on this side, and then do the same on the back, okay? Arbors generally don't have lattice tubes. If you do have lattice tubes on your arbor, they run the same way as the header beam. And wherever a lattice tube, okay, this is a 2x2, that's our standard, okay? It usually has a 2-inch spacing in between. So we'll come back on the nose of this rafter and the nose on the back side, figure out our layout with a 2-inch spacing, and the detail to drill this anywhere a lattice tube lays over a rafter is a sheet metal screw 2.5 inches long with a neoprene washer that has the black washer. So you'll drill that down into there. It's a pretty simple setup. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at 888-851-8351.